Hi everyone, Namaste. So first of all, follow me everywhere, subscribe my channel. So today I'll be cleaning my makeup brushes and I'll be using the Forever 21 makeup brush cleaning tool which I recently got, and I haven't used that makeup cleaning tool yet. So I'll be showing a demo in front of you. So I have this makeup brush cleaning tool from Forever 21 Love and Beauty range, and it is very inexpensive. It costs rupees 269, and I just buy this because it looks so cute. So the packaging looks like this, a very simple plastic packaging, but the only problem with the packaging is that they haven't mentioned anything in English. They have written herramienta de limpieza do broches de Mac. I don't know which language is this, but they have mentioned like a few little small photographs over here on the side, step by step, that how we have to clean our makeup brushes. So I'll be taking out this tool or whatever it is. So this is how the tool looks like. I think it is silicone and plastic. So here are few of my brushes, and few of my brushes because I don't know where the other are lying. So I'll be cleaning these brushes right now, and they have mentioned these steps like first we have to put on some soap on it. So what I'll do is I'll put some liquid hand wash and shampoo on it. So I have put this liquid hand wash and shampoo on this tool. I'm using liquid hand wash because it will clean all that bacteria and other stuff, and shampoo because the makeup brushes have these bristles on it, which is kind of synthetic hair. So the shampoo will clean those synthetic hair. Next step they have shown is this, that I have to scrub the brushes on this tool. So I'll slightly damp the brush in the water. So I'm putting some amount of water. I have damped the brush like this, and now I'm scrubbing the brush. So you have to do like this, and I'll do this for few seconds and then I'll see if it has been cleaned or not. I think the residue of makeup is coming out. I don't know you are able to see on the camera or not, but I can see it. The residue of makeup is coming out, but let's see how properly it comes out. So the third step, they have mentioned that I have to rinse this brush by using clean water. So let's see how the brush looks like now. So see, it's all clean. I'm so happy. साफ हो गया ये तो पूरा. तो ये पूरा साफ हो गया है, and I think that this tool is worth buying. It's very inexpensive, and all my makeup brushes, I think I'll be cleaning other two, but I cannot clean each and every brush in this video. So I have just cleaned this one side, and this is totally clean, neat, clean, tidy. So what I'm doing next is I'll be also cleaning this side of the brush, क्योंकि इससे फाउंडेशन अप्लाई होता है और इसमें ही सबसे ज़्यादा मेकअप प्रोडक्ट रहता है. तो मैं इस साइड का क्लीन करके देखती हूँ कि ये कितने अच्छे से होता है. I think I have to put some more liquid soap on it. So I have put some liquid soap and shampoo on it, and now I'll again try to clean this side of brush from which I apply my foundation. I tried my best to clean this side from which I apply the foundation. So it was supposed to look pink, but now it is looking peach. और ये इससे ज़्यादा I am unable to make any more efforts. I cannot do it. तो ये पीच लग रहा है एंड आई थिंक दैट इट वोंट बी एबल टू क्लीन द टफेस्ट थिंग ऑफ द मेकअप लाइक द फाउंडेशन और फ्रॉम विच यू अप्लाई not conditioner, concealer. So I don't think that it will be able to clean the your foundation brush or maybe concealer brush, and maybe also your eyeshadow from which you have applied very dark and pigmented eyeshadows. So overall I'll say that you can try this makeup tool, but it doesn't clean your makeup brushes properly. Only it will clean your powder brushes and I think highlighter brushes also, but it won't be able to clean the your foundation brushes and your concealer brushes, because most of the makeup residue lies in those brushes only, so it won't be able to clean that. But you can try it because it is very cheap and inexpensive, and you can get it from any Forever 21 store. And if you don't want to buy this tool, what you can do is you can clean your makeup brushes with Scotch Brite. जो जूना आता है ना बर्तन धोने का, तो उससे भी साफ आप कर सकते हो, बिकॉज आई हैव ट्राइड दैट एंड इट वर्क. सो यू कैन बाय दैट स्पंज वाला स्कॉच ब्राइट, और स्कॉच ब्राइट क्या नाम है. So you can clean your makeup brushes similarly. What you can do is you can put some water on the green part of the Scotch Brite, and then put some hand wash or any kind of liquid, shampoo or any liquid on it to clean your makeup brushes, and then just you have to damp your makeup brushes in water, and then start scrubbing your brushes on it, and your makeup brushes will be clean. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel and follow me everywhere. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.